Welcome everybody. I'm Mike, yes, and this is creating pivot tables in Excel. As we go through the training, if you have any questions that you want to ask, I'm happy for you to ask them. Now, as Rahul said, the phone lines are on mute, but you do have access, or you should have access, to the GoToMeeting chat section, because I can see a couple of people have already put questions in there. As the questions come in, if they're relevant, I will stop and look at them and answer them. If they're something that I'm going to cover later, then I will leave it until the appropriate time. But if the questions do come in, I will see them. I don't want you to think that I'm ignoring them. One of the questions that's in there already is regarding Excel files with some data. I did actually send those through to sign up training, and whether they have been passed on to yourselves, I don't know, but
yes.
They have. Okay, great, thanks for that, Rahul. So the answer is yes, those documents, those pre-prepared Excel spreadsheets have been sent on to you. Okay, I'm guessing they're in your email somewhere. But in terms of what we're going to cover today, these are the main things that I want to cover with you. So looking at how to create a pivot table, how to change the appearance of a pivot table, how to summarize your data in different ways, how you can represent your data that's in a pivot table as a chart or graph, how you can represent your data in monthly reports, and how you can create interactive filters. So those are the main topics to cover.